All right, page 137. Oh, it's okay. All right, that's how you gonna fall. All right, page 137. Yes, sir.
Why are we taking a video with Maya here?
Because we still have other people who are not here. All right. So let's take a look. 137. Okay, we did problem solving, right? And we had to take. No. 137. That's what you need to be paying attention to. All right. 137. We had to use our noodles, right? Your noodle, your brain, right? And think about what the question was asking us so that way we could solve. Okay? So we're going to do a quick review of some of the ones on page 137, and then we're going to move on. Okay? You with me? You with me? Malachi, you're not with me if you turned around. All the way. We don't need all that though. Alright, so let's look at number 1. It says, what's the smallest number that can be made using 2 digits? If none of the digits are 0 and none of the digits are repeated. So, hold on, put your hands down. Haven't asked anything yet. So, how did we use our brains to figure out that number? Okay, listen to it again. What is the smallest number that can be made using 2 digits if none of the digits are 0 and none of the digits are repeated? Sterling, how did we figure that out?
Because we couldn't write down 10 because it has a 0 in it. We couldn't write down 11 because it's a repeated number. So we could only write down 12 because they were repeated number 4.
Okay, so she said that we couldn't write down a 10 because 10, we have a 0. Are we allowed to have a 0? No. She said we couldn't write down 11 because the numbers are repeated. Can we do that one?
No.
So she said that leaves us knowing that our next smallest 2-digit number is going to be 12, right?
None of them are repeated.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's look at number 2. Hal picked strawberries. The number of strawberries is greater than 70 but less than 80. It has the same number in the tens and ones. How many strawberries does Hal pick? So how did we know to figure out that answer? Charlotte, what did we do to figure that out? What do we do to figure that out? You want some help? All right, Brock, help her out. How did we figure that out?
We figured it out because it says it's greater than 70 but less than 80, and it has the same number in the tens and the ones, and it could only be 77 because that's the only number that is below 80 but greater than 70 and has the same numbers in the tens and the ones place.
Okay, did y'all hear what he said? Do you agree with it?
Yes.
What,
I'm
James?
a little confused
What?
because there's more numbers between 77 and 70. It could have been one of those too, right? But less.
Okay, James, it's between 70 and 80. It's more than 70, less than 80, right? So we have all of these numbers right here and this one that we can look at, right? James, right? Okay. Now, it said it has the same number in the tens and the ones. Now, when we have tens and ones, right? So it's going to be the same here as it is there. So that if we look through, is this the same?
No.
No. Is this one?
No.
Is that one?
No.
That one?
No.
That one?
No.
That one?
No.
This one?
Yes.
It's the same here and here.
I get it now.
And it's greater than 70, less than 80. Okay?
Much greater than
Okay?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, I need you to sit. Alright. Number 3. Lila is thinking of a mystery number. She says it's between 16 and 19. When you count by twos from 0, you say the number. So what's the mystery number? So how did we figure this one out? Brayden. Okay, we counted by twos to figure out that it's 18. Do we count by twos from 0?
Yes.
You can. What else could you do? They said it's between 16 and 19. What else could you do, Chandler? Okay, by what? So he said go from 16 to 19 by 2s. So we have, So we have 16. Then what's 2 more than 16? 18. What's 2 more than 18? 20. Okay. So we have 16. We got to get to 19, which we did, right? So what number is it? It's 18. Okay. All right. Number 4 that you did, you came up with a mystery number. Okay, we're not going to do that because we went over those. Turn to page 138. Okay, 5 and 6, you're going to do by yourself. I'm going to read it, and I want you to do 5 and 6. Okay? Number 5 says, Tavia's bike lock has a 2-digit passcode. The number is between 80 and 90. When you count by 5s from 0, you say the number. What is it? Yes, Jordan. Yes. Number 6 says, Trent has some trading cards. He buys 8 more and then gives 3 to his brother. If Trent now has 7 cards, how many did he have to start? So you figure out 5 and 6. Gotta use your brain.